Hello, I'm Malcolm Dewey and welcome to this free training session. Now, have you ever felt that there are painting secrets that you just need to know because you can't seem to paint like the painting heroes that you are following? I've certainly felt that way many times when I was starting to paint. I wanted to paint the beautiful Impressionist style paintings, the Impressionist movement and the post-Impressionists and even contemporary artists today as well. And all the information that I could get my hands on seemed to be very superficial. For some reason, a lot of the painting books out there just show you beautiful paintings and give you very little information. Sure, they show you what brushes to use and what paint to use, but thereafter it gets very, very vague. And no wonder I was feeling that I was not being shown the information, the real foundation process and how to take the painting through that process. Not very easy to work all of that out. I spent a lot of time looking at old painting books as well. You know, the type without any color photographs in from the early 1900s. I found those actually to be a lot more useful. I also spent time with one or two art mentors that taught me some valuable painting lessons. The sort of thing that for some reason you don't get in painting schools today. These days the idea is conceptual art, abstract art. Now that's all well and good if that's what you want. But I wanted to paint the realist Impressionist painting or painterly style of painting. So over about 5 years I've distilled a lot of that information and what I was taught into a course that I call Learn to Paint with Impact. And in that course I go through the whole foundation and progress through painting, color and values and all of those things. The sort of thing that you really need to be able to focus on and know how to learn that information. Now I've put together a free training episode for you. It's 60 minutes and it goes through how I start a painting and progress through that painting. Now if nothing else, watch that video and take your time going through it. All you have to do is sign up below and you'll get immediate access to it. There's no obligation and you don't have to go any further. If you do want to take a course with me, I do have a special offer that comes up after that, but that's totally up to you. Take your time, enjoy the painting lesson. You can watch it in stages if you want, but in that I do reveal a ton of information that if put into practice is going to make an amazing change for the better in your painting. So the truth is, I don't keep any secrets. I put everything out there and I teach what needs to be taught. It's what made a difference for my painting and let me move into full-time professional artist. So it's as clear and as simple as that. I hope you take the opportunity, sign up below and get immediate access to the lesson and sit back and enjoy. Until we meet again, have fun and good luck with your painting.